Welcome to 1383 Londonderry, just above Sunset Boulevard in the heart of the Sunset Strip. The craftsmanship is streamlined, like perfection. Straight lines, materials that seem to glow, they're so perfectly honed. The woods blending with the stone, open to nature. Beautiful work. Now we're in the heart of the home. Everyone's home is the kitchen. This one opens to such beautiful expanse, long countertops, open dining, multiple lounges, all looking at the pool and the city lights views. This home provides Miele appliances throughout, the top respected name. But more than that, the kitchen surfaces are beautifully honed, long expanses for preparation space. It's exactly where you would want to entertain your guests and prepare meals for them. The pet of this house is my favorite tree, positioned here on the pool pavilion to be enjoyed from inside or outside the home. Now for a special surprise, join me in one of the largest master suites in the Sunset Strip. This is a compound of 6 rooms, starting with the entry lounge. And here's a convenient location for a home office inside the master suite. Room 3 of the master suite complex is what I would say is truly a spa bathroom. And now we've arrived at the master suite. Truly masterful here. From the bed, you see downtown Los Angeles at night, dazzling in its full array. Would you like a large home theater? The good fortune of the location for 1383 Londonderry, you can walk to the Sunset Strip destinations, but yet it's just far enough away for the privacy one would seek.